For sale, 1970 Mustang Coupe. Rust-free California car. Runs and drives. Factory air conditioning. Power steering. Brand new front and rear bumpers.
I forgot $10 on that little thing, so $5.10.
I'm doing a video, guys. Really straight body, floor pans are really nice on it. 14-inch Torino Magnums. The Mustang over here is not for sale. $99,000 original miles. C4 automatic trans was rebuilt recently. Front drum brakes are all fresh. New wheel cylinders. Rear brakes are in really good shape. Engine runs good. Yeah, all the air conditioning stuff's here. Still has the original radiator.
Original AC R12.
Tires have a lot of rubber on them. Stock towers look good. Car's never been wrecked. The only Bondo, I checked the car for Bondos a little bit down in this area down here low. Besides that, nothing shows up.
Nice little car, ain't it?
Floor pans are perfect.
I don't know why Jimmy don't put a scoop on it. Put a fucking Mach 1 grill in there with.
Hey Frank, I'm doing a video. Be quiet.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Perfect floor pans. I wish all the Mustangs I sold had floor pans that nice. It's also got a new gas tank and sanding unit. Brand new headliner in the box. Extra parts in the trunk go with it. Really a nice solid car. Still has the original sticker. If you have any questions, give me a call, 714-757-8437. I also have lots of pictures I can send you. Thank you. Or you can email me, rpmron@gmail.com.